family friendly.
Is this thing on? Is this recording? Oh, good. Got me? Got me in here?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Uh-huh.
So, we in the Bulldozer fan club community would like to take this opportunity to express our deepest concerns and remorse at the comments made by family-friendly toy videos. We are highly offended and insulted by the idea or insinuation that there may not be very many Bulldozer fans. We are more than just me. There's obviously a camera person and someone else that I spoke to.
Well, our camera's on a tripod.
There's lots of us worldwide.
I was on your side. I defended.
We will be coming after family-friendly toy videos for damages caused to our self-esteem. Is it something?
To